Hey family, welcome back to the channel. I was going through the Restored Sight playlist, and I was looking to see what Yeshua chose for the thumbnails of those videos, because I don't actually do thumbnails. Whatever picture pops up is on it, and Yeshua always picks them out and puts them there. For instance, yesterday I made a little video called Shavua, Ukraine, and if you look there at the thumbnail, it's the picture that has his number 17 and his name, and the number on it was 2627. 26 is Father's number for Yod-Heh, Vav-Heh. A 7 for completion, and 22 for the Hebrew Aleph-Bet, because he is Word. As an example on how he picks his thumbnails. So back to the scribe. I'm not going to read out the scriptures and the Hebrew definitions, but I would recommend that you would go back to this word, furnace of fire. It was 2:21:23 through servant Casey, and I know I'm probably not the only one, but I don't think we fully grasped this at the time it was given. At least there's a couple things I didn't remember. But I am going to read it out, and I'm not going to add much commentary to it, but a couple of things. My bride, I would like to ask that you study out Psalm 21 on your own. And I call to your attention another biblical application of fathers. As the bride, you have full understanding. The Father has many uses of every single thing created. Every single thing created. Father is fond of multi-purpose spiritual context. It is the order of things. Not all furnaces are the same, and not all doors are the same either. Not all furnaces or doors are the same. Deeper study is essential to grasp all that the Word teaches. I am Word. Go to Psalm 12:6. In this instance, Father purifies the Word 7 times. I am Word. In this instance, Father will use, go to Psalm 21:9. In this instance, Father will use a furnace to exact judgment. Go to Isaiah 48:10. In this instance, Father refines. Purification is of utmost importance to Father. Go to Ezekiel 22:20. In this instance, Father explains how he can and has and will again exact judgment. Go to Daniel 3:6. This instance demonstrates the wickedness of the flesh / your dark spirit abusing Father's creations and doctrines. Page 2. Go to Matthew 13:42. In this instance, Father executes judgment after he exacts judgment. First he executes it, then he exacts it. It is the order of things. My bride fully understands such things. Now go to Revelation 1:15. Now my bride understands whose feet are being referenced. This is the only, the thing I wanted to comment on is His feet are as brass, um, polished brass. And quite frankly, when I read it, thought it was his glory, a symbolism for his glory and his strength, which is another application, I'm sure. But I didn't remember this. Now my bride understands whose feet are being referenced. Did I not tell you that I am refined, purified, sanctified by Father? I do not ask my sheep to do anything I have not already accomplished by Father, for Father, in obedience. It is truth. So, this is so huge, guys. He was in the furnace with Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego, 7 times hotter. Jacob's trouble, 7 years. Each year it gets hotter and hotter. Yeshua's ministry was 3.5 years. The Great Tribulation is 3.5 years. He was purified 7 times. The word is purified in the furnace 7 times. I am word. I have been through the furnace of fire. I am obedient to Father. My bride is obedient to the order of things. My bride is tried just as I am tried. So his bride goes through the exact same thing, suffering the exact same things. And each person's trials are different. Not all are the same, right? But the word is purified 7 times. It was after Yeshua's resurrection and ascending back to Father, and many, many years later, I don't even know the date when the first canon would have went out in Hebrew, and that the thing about it is the word. He is word. It was purified. The canon goes out. That's the applications. Yeshua is purified. He is word. His word goes out, right? For us, for such a time as this. The word, guys, the word. If we mishandle the word, we mishandle Yeshua. I just want to really say that. 2 Timothy 2:15 is quoted wrong in the King James. Study to show thyself approved, a workman who needeth not to be ashamed, rightly dividing the word of truth. In the complete Jewish Bible, it says rightly handling the word of truth. If you mishandle the word, you mishandle Yeshua. Do you see how important this is? Salvation can rest at justification. The bride understands that to be in me, she could not rest at justification. My bride answered the call and completed full sanctification. Complete. This is the will of the Father. His ways are holy. My bride is holy in me, glorious. I love that word because he loves that word, glorious. I will come again, my loves, my obedient great owls, and we will search out more truths together. Your bridegroom, Jesus Christ, the living Son of the Almighty living God. That's all I have. If interested, go back and watch the video, the original one, and get all the scriptures and the Greek and Hebrew definitions that he was pointing to. Oh, and one last thing. His feet, there's doctrines going out from the symbolism of Yeshua that it's literal. No, he clearly said it represents the fire that he went through. Has nothing to do with his appearance. Thanks, guys, for watching.